Boxing the Boss Cube Street 2. I got it from eBay. It is coming with a bag and a Bluetooth adapter. So this is the Bluetooth adapter. On its own it costs 46 euros. And this is the cable. European 8 plug, a apparently TRRS cable, and a barrel plug. Now the box itself, this is the bag. It's kind of a leather fabric, and this is the box. Maybe I can even leave it in the bag when playing, but unfortunately the audio ins are then covered. Let's take a look at the box. It has only 10 watts, but apparently, according to many YouTube channels, this is the go-to busking amplifier. It has 4 feet, takes 8 batteries, which already are kind of a clue that this is maybe not the most overpowered device. But compared to the Cube X, it does have a looper. It also is small, which for busking, I think, especially when traveling, might be a big advantage. I actually had already ordered the X, which is a little bit bigger and presumably also louder. But then I saw this, and this was about half the price, not even half. And it also seemingly has a loop function. So let's see if the batteries work. Turn it on. It is angled up, which also some other boxes didn't have. We have the DC in, which I don't know. So does this charge the battery? This would make this very useful in the long term, because unlike many devices today, I could just exchange all of these batteries for about maybe 10 to 20 euros. It also has a USB cable, which is kind of the standard printer cable. Then this here is where the Bluetooth adapter goes. It can be connected to an app with which one can set a few additional things and also play music via the app. So this also acts as a Bluetooth speaker. So I pressed this in, but it seems to be not really the tightest. When I plugged this in, the batteries did turn off. But if I now unplug this, the batteries are on and also this adapter works. We have looper, guitar, mic in. We have harmony, mic, instrument in. Phones, rack. Then we have a liner, also 6.3mm. Then we have Cube Link aux in. I don't know what iCube Link is. Guitar, mic, and mic instrument. So basically we have 4 ins, one of which is a combo jack. So if I do have a microphone or I adapt a microphone to a 6.3mm jack, then I could have 2 microphones and 2 guitars in. Maybe. Now let's take a look at the top. So here we have mic instrument, bass, middle, treble, reverb. Then we can select microphone or instrument, presumably to provide phantom power to the microphone. We have overall volume. Then we have harmony. We have a tuner. This I don't know. Then phones rack also seem to have the equalizers, chorus delay, reverb, volume, gain. And we can also select a amp type. Then we have here the aux in, which again seems to be a volume output, max and economic. And then we have also a looper, which now is recording. And now it's not. So I might have to find out which pedal I need to get here. So let's try this out. I plug it in here. I'm using this guitar. Now I switch to this. So now I'm standing here. Let's try the bass. Bass is now at max. I'm not too impressed, I have to say. The bass is almost not existent. So let's now try the microphone. 1, 2, 3. So now the reverb is on 0. And let's now test. 1, 2. So now half volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. But where is